Thank you for purchasing a Master Lock Select Access lockbox. In this video, you'll learn how to permanently install the wall-mounted Select Access Extra Large Certified Lockbox, Model 5428 EURD. To install your Select Access, you will need the following tools: a power drill, an 8mm masonry drill bit, a small socket driver, a 10mm socket head, a lightweight hammer, a small level, a scissors, and a permanent marker. Once you've gathered the appropriate tools, you're ready to begin. It is recommended that your Select Access be mounted in a discrete location, not visible from general observation. First, use scissors to cut out the mounting template supplied in the packaging, or use the Select Access Privacy Shield as a mounting template. Position the Privacy Shield or mounting template on the desired location. Verify using the level. Then mark the position of the mounting holes on the surface with the permanent marker. Drill an 8mm pilot hole at each of the 4 locations, 70 mm deep, and remove any debris from the holes. Open the door on your Select Access and remove the plastic tray from the inside by grabbing it at the center and pulling it out. Position the Select Access and Privacy Shield assembly over the 4 holes. Insert the anchors through the mounting holes and into the wall by hand. A hammer may be needed to tap the anchors into place. Ensure that the metal anti-drill plate is secured into the slot on the back of your Select Access, that the supplied Privacy Shield is installed, and that you only use the supplied mounting hardware to maintain the SKG security certification. Using the 10mm socket head, tighten the bottom anchors first until they have gripped the wall. Do not fully tighten these anchors yet. Next, tighten the top anchors until there's a 3mm gap between the wall surface and the back of your Select Access. Assemble the key hook by inserting the short end of the hook into the small hole in the back of your Select Access. Now, continue to fully tighten the top anchors, and then continue with the bottom anchors until the heads are snug against the back of your Select Access. Be careful not to over-tighten these anchors. Replace the plastic tray into the storage compartment and place the code change tool behind it. Finally, close the door and rotate the knob 180 degrees anti-clockwise so the arrow points to the locked position. Your Select Access is now ready for use. For other useful tips on how to use your Master Lock Select Access lockbox, please visit masterlock.eu.